Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Maps, but make sure to turn on the location or your GPS of your phone first. This is the Android version. So open your Gmaps, or if you don't have, please install it from Play Store. It's very easy. And here you can see this is the actual location. I'm in Indonesia right now. Here, this is a live location, the real-time location. So in this Google map, you can lock your position. You can search the map here. For example, you can choose this destination, or you can use this Google map offline by download the map. And this is the go. This is the save. If you save your favorite place, you can, as in this list, you can go directly tap your favorite place in this list, or you can create your new list, or even you can contribute. You can earn your new contributor page. You can add place, update place, add review, add photo, update roads, and update address. So this one, you can tap your profile icon, and you can go with offline maps. Here you can download it. To use map offline, start by downloading a map, then you'll be able to search and get direction offline with that map. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment.